What is the capital of Australia? A. Sydney. B. Melbourne. C. Canberra. D. Brisbane. Answer is C. Canberra. Who invented the telephone? A. Thomas Edison. B. Alexander Graham Bell. C. Nikola Tesla. D. Isaac Newton. Answer is B. Alexander Graham Bell. Which Indian state is the largest by area? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Maharashtra. D. Rajasthan. Answer is D. Rajasthan. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Earth. B. Jupiter. C. Mars. D. Venus. Answer is C. Mars. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Pratibha Patil. D. Sushma Swaraj. Answer is B. Indira Gandhi. What is the currency of Japan? A. Yen. B. Won. C. Yuan. D. Ringgit. Answer is A. Yen. Who wrote the national anthem of India? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. C. Subhash Chandra Bose. D. Mahatma Gandhi. Answer is A. Rabindranath Tagore. What is the chemical symbol for gold? A. A U. B. A G. C. GD. D. GO. Answer is A. AU. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? A. Vikram Sarabhai. B. Homi Bhabha. C. A. P. J. Abdul Kalam. D. Satish Dhawan. Answer is C. A. P. J. Abdul Kalam. What is the study of earthquakes called? A. Astronomy. B. Seismology. C. Ecology. D. Geology. Answer is B. Seismology.